So today we'll be playing Roblox. This is a bird game. We're gonna be checking it out. Let's play. I'll play as this little guy. I'll do red and blue. Like the subscribe button. Okay, that's cool enough. Okay, let's see this game is all about. Whoa! I'm in the jungle. Whoa! Is that another bird? Can I build a nest? I'll build a nest inside of someone's nest. Hey, buddy. Can I like teleport? Oh, I can teleport to this guy? Whoa. What is this place? This place is so cool. Wow, volcano. Check that out later. Whoa. This is so cool. What else we can teleport to? This mushroom. Whoa. Got a butterfly. What kind of bird is that? Whoa. Mountain, a waterfall. So cool. Get in the waterfall. Whee! Okay, that's so much fun. Like, 1, 2. Whoa! The beach? Whoa! This is cool. I like this place. Gonna teleport to the desert. It's so hot here. Wow. Did I just eat it? I just ate it. Look at the moon. Can I fly towards it? Oh, the edge of the map? Nah. Yo, it doesn't even let me get in. The volcano. What's here? Whoa. The volcano. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh. Okay. I need more. Ooh, what is this? The mountains? Oh, wow, yeah. Okay. Whoa. This place looks so cool. So nice. Beautiful. I should put my nest here instead. What is it? There's a lot of birds here. There is a lot of birds here. Banana. Alright, what else we have? Doctor. Oh, is that a pink goose? Hey, pink goose. What are you doing? Oh, he's in my bag. I'm in his bag. Where are we going, pink goose? Oh no, 20%. That's bad. Hey, I don't want to be here. You have to find a way to escape. Oh, I know. I want food, dummy. Give me food! Give me food. You have food? Okay, this is my chance. Hide. Alright, now run. Man, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Bye. Bro. I don't want to be. Ah! Get out of here. That's what I do. Just get out of here. Ugh. Right, what other place we can go? To the houses? Yeah, so I'm gonna have to change my character. I'm gonna try to reset. Can I reset? Alright guys, we're still playing this game. Woohoo! It's not our first time playing. Okay, now I can buy something good for money. Yes. We can turn to a peacock. Whoa! Okay. This just be normal. Whoa, I'm a peacock. Oh, come on. I have less time to fly. Are you serious right now? Whoa. I like being a peacock. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Bye.